We ignited this flame almost half a century ago in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania. It would be a brand forged by hand, hardened by steel, and revered for American ingenuity. All-Clad quickly became the choice for demanding chefs and ignited desire among passionate home cooks, ones who would never settle for anything less than the best. Whether it's our handcrafted, bonded cookware or our latest innovations in the kitchen, the All-Clad stamp has become legendary, symbolizing a promise to exceed the expectations of passionate cooks and inspire them throughout their journey. So ignite your imagination. Ignite your quest for perfection. Ignite your inspiration. All-Clad. Ignite your passion.
Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, here to introduce you to our newest line of cookware. This is our French classic tri-ply stainless cookware. Before Cuisinart introduced appliances or iconic food processor to the American consumer over 35 years ago, Cuisinart actually introduced cookware to the American consumer. So we have decided to go back to our roots and introduce a line of cookware that is manufactured in France. And which is the French classic tri-ply. It's a 10-piece set. It comes with an 8-inch skillet, 10-inch skillet, 3.5-quart saute pan with helper handle and cover, a 2-quart saucepan, an 8-quart stock pot. This is a 4.5-quart Dutch oven. This is actually perfect for making stews on top of the stove and then taking and finishing off your recipe in the oven. As you can see, it's a really, really pretty set. It has cast stainless steel handles with a thumbprint right here, so it's very, very, very easy to handle. It's ergonomically designed for comfort. They are solid cast stainless steel, as I said. The handles are also riveted on to the vessel right in here, and it's made from stainless steel exterior, a stainless steel interior, and sandwiched between the two of them is aluminum core. Starts from the bottom all the way up to the sides of the vessels, and what that does, it actually helps to distribute the heat very quickly and very evenly. No need to. It takes a very, very, very short time for your cookware to heat up. And Cuisinart backs. We stand by our product. That is proven with a lifetime warranty. So our cookware has a lifetime warranty, and that's it. So that's our French classic tri-ply stainless cookware. So savor the good life with Cuisinart.